Jeremy from Rapido here. Look at GP9u samples. Let's fire them up and see what they sound like and look like. Hear what they sound like and see what they look like. Awesome.
So here's the beautiful blue SRY unit. Let's fire it up. Nice. Now some bell action. And some horn action. And let's go. We're just going to ignore that sand line. That's all askew there. That's my fault. The production models won't have that feature. They'll be properly positioned and not hanging out over the fuel tank like that. And let's check out those strobe lights. They would have been deactivated on the SRY units by the time they got them, but here they are, and they look cool. And the Canadian Pacific unit. And as you can see, we got front and rear ditch lights. And let's try the class lights out. We got white. And we got green. And the shutdown sequence. So yeah, GP9Us, they are coming soon, within the next month or two, so stay tuned for their arrival.
Lunatics!